System online?
Yeah, everything's ready.
Carbon weave density looks perfect. Approve this batch for heating.
Pressure stable, starting compression cycle.
Alignment is within tolerance. Keep layering.
Good. Maintain this feed rate.
Ring alignment is flawless.
Clear. Starting the second weld pass.
Floor panel engaged. Lock it.
Edge seal is perfect. Move to next frame. Pressure stable at 3000 PSC.
Curvature matches exactly. Proceed.
Wing box locked. Starting structural test later.
Fuel cavity sealed perfectly. Wing join complete. Excellent work.
Avionics rack online. All signals clear.
Display set. Booting system now. Gear compression is perfect.
Engine verified. Ready for mount.
Vibration levels in safe range.
Power routed correctly. All good.
Hold the pressure for 10 seconds. Stable. Pass.
Full extension confirmed.
Retraction is smooth. Good job.
Fuel pressure stable. No leaks detected.
All avionics online. No errors so far.
Smooth movement. Zero delay.
Tail control is responsive.
Ignition stable. Hold RPM at idle. Thrust level normal. No anomalies.
Vibration within safe limits.
Stress test passed at all load levels.
Cabin pressure stable. No leaks at all.
Seal integrity confirmed.
Button response is excellent.
Flight computer is fully operational.
Brake response perfect. Backup power stable. All emergency lights functioning.
Comms check.
Loud. Where they at?
Loud and clear. All ground systems are fully synchronized.
Door movement stable. Seal integrity confirmed.
Emergency slide installed. Good alignment.
Battery load stable at full capacity.
Black box online. All sensors linked.
Pitot calibration perfect. Zero deviation.
Radar response smooth. Good signal return.
Seat lock engaged. Feels solid.
Safety harness passed.
Cabin panels aligned perfectly. Overhead bins locked and smooth.
Screen touch response is perfect.
Galley operating normally.
Wide system vacuum stable.
Cabin lighting fully responsive.
Test. Test. Intercom is crystal clear.
Airflow steady and uniform.
Engine exposed. Ready for taxi test soon.
All fasteners secure.
Aircraft resting on wheels. All good.
Visual inspection completed. Prepare for rollout. Outdoor rollout. Ready! Open the gates. Prepare for rollout.
Clear path. Rolling out now.
Aircraft is fully outside. Good alignment.
No surface defects under sunlight. Perfect. Perfect.
Intake is spotless. Proceed.
Nose wheel steering optimal.
Taxi lights stable and bright.
Engines at idle plus.
Begin tax test.
Movement smooth. No wheel vibration.
Speed 20 knots. All stable.
Brake response solid. Perfect stop. High-speed taxi looking good.
Abort test successful.
Run up team, Trinity and Sunny Stand.
Full power run up. All green.
Data logged. Engine cooling nominal.
Proceed to runway entry.
Aircraft lined up, ready for clearance.
All right, that's the last shipment. Good work today.